How to manage your AOL mail storage. If your mail account is getting full, let me show you a few steps that you can follow in order to free up some space. Now, the first thing here, what you can do in order to clear up some space is find large files that have attachments. So in the search bar on the top, you can add in or search for this. This way, it's gonna show up all of the emails that have attachments. Normally, emails those have attachments are those emails that are taking much of the space. So make sure the mail option is selected right here. And if you search for attachments, all of those emails will be listed down below that have attachments in them. Also, if you search for anything on the top, such as messages, photos, and documents, you can also find those emails that have photos or documents in them that are taking much of your space. This way, you can just go through the list and remove the ones that are not needed. Once you delete from this section, make sure you also head over to the trash section so that you can remove it from here as well. If you delete it only from the inbox section, it will still remain in the trash box so that these spaces are not cleared up. So this is the first thing that you can do is clear the emails that have attachments. The second thing that you can try out is head over to particular folders if you have created them, such as personal or work, and then just go through them as well and remove any emails that are unwanted. Also, if you have subscribed to a bunch of newsletter, you're gonna get constant emails coming from them. So this way as well, your inboxes get filled up easily. That what you can do is add in this search filter. So you can add in from and the newsletter that you are subscribed to. This way you're gonna view all of the emails that are received from this particular newsletter and you can bulk delete them so that your space is freed up from all of these emails that are incoming. So by using these few methods, you'll be able to clear up some space and manage your AOL mail storage. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.